Fluffy with the recipe of
Fluffy egg omelette.
It is very easy to make at your home.
And it is fluffy and tasty. So without wasting time, let's go to the video.
Now let's make
Fluffy egg omelette.
Ingredients for this are
Half chopped onion, a small piece of tomato, salt for taste, 2 pinch of pepper powder, coriander leaves, curry leaves, chili, coconut oil or sunflower oil.
and the main ingredient is 4 eggs separated into yolk and white. First step, we need to beat the white and yolk separately.
Add 2 tablespoons milk.
Beat the egg white and add enough salt to it.
Now add everything to the yolk.
Put all the ingredients to the yolk except oil. Add oil to the pan, then add the egg yolk mix. Now add egg white and spread it well. Then close it with a lid. Close it for 2 to 5 minutes. Our fluffy, tasty egg omelette is ready. Now it's
Time for tasting. Super.
Amazing.
So fluffy. If you like our channel, Darling Days, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.
And press the bell icon near the subscribe button to get more information and updates on our new videos, and let us know your feedback in the comment box.
Thanks for